Hello there and welcome to the walk around video of the BMW F36 Grand Coupe in Alpine White here at Your Next Car. So we'll give you a little walk around the vehicle whilst I talk through some of the features and options, and then we'll be sure to get into the interior where I can show you through the interior features. So of course start with the outside where we've got the Your Next Car Performance Kit. This particular vehicle is obviously on the 2017 and it is a facelift vehicle. So we have the facelifted front lights, we've also got the BMW LED angel light and the projector headlights. On this vehicle we've gone for the satin front splitter, we've gone for the gloss black kidney grills, we've also just fitted the 20-inch 666 competition style alloy wheels which are all brand new with brand new tyres. Down the side we've got the gloss black air vents, we've also got the satin side liner, sidebars and performance decals. Moving on into the interior where we've got the superb black Dakota leather, which in the front we've got the electric memory adjustment for both passengers and drivers. We've got the multi-function M Sport steering wheel with the 8-speed sport gearbox with paddle shift. It has the privacy glass. Moving around to the rear, once again giving you a lovely view of the stunning polished, diamond cut polished 666 competition 20-inch alloy wheels. In the rear, of course, once again we've got the black Dakota leather with the Isofix ready rear bench. Gloss black rear boot spoiler, satin rear diffuser. Of course, on the 4 Series Grand Coupes you do get the automatic opening and closing tailgate, which can be operated via the key or the button in the normal position. Nice big boot space, and of course the seats do fold as well should it be required. Another feature of the facelift is the facelifted rear tail lights. Very clean, tidy example in the Alpine White, which ties in very nicely with the black of the Performance Kit. One of the most popular colour combinations we're currently selling here at Your Next Car. Okay, so we're going to jump around to the driver's side now and just talk you through some of the interior features and options in a bit more depth. Another nice feature on this vehicle is the leather dashboard trim, which is another nice option, as well as the electric memory seats on the driver's side and the electric function on the passengers. We also have heated seats, as you can see there. We have the superb BMW Professional Wide Navigation and Media, and this is a facelifted Professional Wide Navigation Media, so you do get a few more features and options built within that, such as the connected drive online search, which you can see there. We've got Bluetooth for calls and once again media, DAB and a wide array of multimedia inputs as well. The cruise control function with speed limiter, you've got voice control, volume control. The vehicle itself has covered just over 21,000 miles, so another nice low mileage example. If we go into my vehicle status, we can view all the service requirements. As you can see, everything is in green, which means nothing is required or nothing is due for a good amount of time. Engine oil change is not due for 11,000 miles, so plenty of time before any service is due. Service history wise, we've got the first PDI check, which was when the vehicle was literally brand new. The first service was carried out there at 14,712. And then, as I've just showed you, it's not due an actual oil change for 11,000 miles. An exceptionally clean and tidy vehicle with very little to low mileage. Okay, so that's pretty much going to finish off the walk around for the F36 Grand Coupe in Alpine White. We of course hope you found the video useful, but most of all we do hope to see you very soon here at Your Next Car. Thank you very much for watching, take care and goodbye.